In this video, we're looking at the angle sum of a quadrilateral. So quadrilateral is the shape seen on your screen here. There's such things as trapeziums, rectangles, squares, and so forth. So any quadrilateral can be divided into two triangles along one of its diagonals. So what I mean by that is, if I pull out my ruler and I line up two of the corners as best I can, let's say that, and I cut it down the middle, I have two triangles. I have a triangle 1 and I have a triangle 2. Now, in a previous video, we covered the angle sum of a triangle, and the angle sum of a triangle is 180 degrees. Because we have two triangles, it's 180 plus 180. So the angle sum of a quadrilateral is 360, and it makes sense because you, like we said, you cut it up and you get two triangles. So the angle sum of a triangle, 180, angle sum of a quadrilateral is 360 because there's two triangles. So over here, if I label A, B, C, and D, I know that A plus B plus C plus D should all add up to 360. So we're going to cover some examples on how we can use this to find some unknowns. So on your screen there, we need to find the value of the pronumeral. Remember, the pronumeral is just the unknown letter. In our case, it's A. So again, two ways to do this. The straightforward way is to go, well, A is going to equal 360 minus all the other angles. And that equals 90 degrees. Now, the other way to do it is our algebraic way, where we say that A plus 75 plus 85 plus 110 all should equal 360. So A plus 270 equals 360. And here's our algebra part. We can minus 270 from both sides because it's the minus 270 is the opposite of our plus 270, as you can see here in this box. Because they're opposites, they cancel out. The only thing left over on the left is my A. So A equals 360, take away 270, which is 90 degrees. So whichever way you prefer, you can use that. So if we look at this one here, remember, these symbols mean 90 degrees. So we have a 90 there, 90 there, 90 there. So over here, if we use the shortcut way, E is going to equal 360, take away 90, take away 90, take away 90, and that equals 90 degrees. We'll do one more here. Here's my W, so we're looking at this angle, and we'll do the shortcut way again. So W is going to equal 360 minus 50 minus 130 minus 50. And that gets us 130 degrees. Alright, so to recap, remember, the angle sum of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees because it is made up of two triangles. And the angle sum of a triangle is 180. And there was two variations of how we could do it. You could just go off the shortcut method, which is 360 minus all known other angles. Or you could do it the algebraic way, as we can see in the black writing just there.